add your TikTok leads to your sheets without any copy, pasting and manual intervention, then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can save your TikTok leads without any manual copy pasting using this amazing automation. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me, but if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of lead details to your Google Sheets for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So this discount coupon code is just for you. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you like Pabbly Connect, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so this is the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for TikTok lead generation and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new lead and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between TikTok and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me. Click on add a new connection and then connect with TikTok lead generation. Once you click on this connect with TikTok lead generation, first of all, Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your TikTok account if you haven't logged in. But if your account is already logged in, then you're going to get this option to click on this confirm. So click on this confirm and your TikTok account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, it is asking for the advertiser ID and the form ID. So just select the advertiser ID and then select the form for which you want to create this automation. So I want to create this automation for this form, which is lead gen form. So I have selected the same right over here. Now make sure that the response format is advanced and then click on this save and send test request. Once you click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now you have two options. The first option is that wait until you receive a real lead in real time. And the second option is like if you do not have a real lead coming in real time, you can generate a test lead yourself. And in order to generate the test lead, capture the trigger response in the TikTok lead generation app, you will have to make use of create test lead action in the next step. And for that, you can read the documentation right over here by which you can learn how to get the test lead details. And yes, this is the video attached. You can refer to that in order to get the test lead. I have already created the test lead, so let's capture the response for the same right over here. And now you can see that we have successfully received this response. And in this response, we have received the first name, last name, phone number and the email address. And now using the same details, I'm just going to add these details right over here in my Google Sheets, but without copy pasting it. How? I'm just going to show you. For that, you have to click on this add new action step, and for the action application, search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, you have to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once you click on this sign in with Google, you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to create this connection. After selecting the Gmail account, click on this allow and your Google Sheets account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After this, you have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet right over here in which you want to add your lead details. So the name of my spreadsheet is new lead details and the sheet is details. Now one by one, I'm just going to add the lead details, but we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So if you also want to map the details, just put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map and select it and the detail will be mapped. Now you have to click on the save and send test request and it is saying the details are added into your Google Sheets. So let's open our Google Sheets and you're going to see the details have been added, be it the name, be it the email, or be it the phone number. All these three details are added in my Google Sheets without manual copy pasting. And not only for this, now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from TikTok, automatically the lead details will be added in my Google Sheets, and all of this is going to happen in backend. I don't have to come back in again to my workflow to click on save and send test request. Nor do I have to go back in again towards my leads, copy and paste the details into my Google Sheets. Directly the details will be added in Google Sheets and my sales team can follow up quickly and efficiently. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section below the workflow URL, and the discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.